Welcome to Math Friends. So today we're actually going to be talking about the names and the attributes or the things that describe these 3D shapes that we have been looking at. Let's start with this one. Friends, this is a cube. Can you say cube? Cube. And I want to start by telling you what makes it a cube. Well, by looking at it, it is a cube because it is brown. No, you're right, friends. No, Miss Orozco, it's not because it's brown. Lots of things can be brown. Let's see. I know. It is the cube because it's small. It fits in my hand. No, that's not what makes it a cube either. What do you think makes this a cube and not like a square? It's very similar to the square, but it's not a square. How is this different than the square? Whoa, you see all these different sides that it has? Friends, these are what we call faces. Can you say faces? Faces, kind of like how we have our face here. The shape has a face also. Face there, face there, face there. And these are basically the parts, the sides that are on the outside. It does have vertices. Remember, vertices are two sides that come together to form a corner. But it has more than 4 vertices. Oh my goodness, it's quite a bit. So I'm going to put this on my board, and right next to it, I'm going to write the name of the shape. So this is a cube. And we'll talk about the faces and the vertices a little bit later. But for now, I just want you to remember that this is a cube. Let's go on to the next one. What is this? Yes, it's an ice cream cone. Well, not quite. I can't really eat this one, but it is called a cone. It has the shape of, what shape does this look like? That's right. It looks like the triangle that we've been looking at, but it's a little round here. It's not a straight line edge like the one we're used to. And then look at the bottom. It has a flat surface, a flat bottom. That's right. So friends, this is a cone. Do you see any vertices? Yeah, just the one. So I'm going to put this right there so we can see it. And I'm going to put the name next to it. Cone. Friends, I also have this shape. What is that? Look, that's the shape of a circle. Only it goes all the way around on every which side. This one is cool. And do you see any vertices on this one? Nope. No vertices on the sphere. So I will put sphere right next to it. And last but not least, we have, and this, my friends, is called a cylinder. Do you see that? Whoa, that's cool. It has the shape of a circle there. And here we have 2 of them. Only this part is a little longer. This part resembles or looks like a rectangle. It's like if we put a rectangle with 2 circles together and it makes a cylinder. Yeah. So this will go right there, and I'm going to put the name cylinder. So let's learn more about these shapes. I have some friends that would like to join us and teach us a little bit more information about each one of these shapes. Are you ready? Come on.
Shapes, 3D shapes, sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, and cone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, and cone. Here is a sphere, it has this shape. These are things that have the shape of a sphere. You can see them every place. The sun is a sphere. A basketball is a sphere. A baseball is a sphere. The moon is a sphere. Here is a cylinder. It has this shape. These are things that have the shape of a cylinder. You can see them every place. A pencil shaft is a cylinder. A can of beans is a cylinder. A paper towel roll is a cylinder. A jar of jelly is a cylinder. Here is a cube. It has this shape. These are things that have the shape of a cube. You can see them every place. Blocks can be a cube. Dice can be a cube. An ice cube can be a cube. A box can be a cube. Here is a cone. It has this shape. These are things that have the shape of a cone. You can see them every place. A megaphone is a cone. A pencil tip is a cone. An ice cream cone can be a cone. A traffic cone is a cone. 3D shapes.
Find out how many edges and how many vertices each one of these shapes has. So we already know that the sphere has no vertices and no edges. So that one's easy. 0 vertices and 0 edges. Let's go up here to my friend, the cone. How many vertices does it have? We already know that we counted it. It only has one. And when it's just one, it's called a vertex. How many sides or faces does it have? It just has the one right there. How about my friend, the cube, Mr. Cube? Let's take it down. Faces does it have? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It has 6 faces. And do you know how many vertices, how many corners it has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 vertices. And I'm going to put my friend right back on top on my board. Then we have the cylinder. One has 2 flat faces. You see that how it's flat? This one's not flat because it would roll away. But if we put it here, it would stay. So we have 1, 2 faces. Does this one have any vertices? Any corners? No. And so this goes right back up on our board. So friends, today on Schoology, we want you to fill out one of these pages that has the information for the cube, the cone, the cylinder, and the sphere. I hope you have fun, friends. Bye.